Today we will be going to discuss about oxidizing agent and reducing agent. First, oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is the substance which initiates the oxidation process or facilitates the process of oxidation. And also we can say oxidizing agent is reduced during reaction. Itself is reduced during reaction. We will discuss it with the example. Reducing agent, the substance which initiates the process of reduction. Initiates reduction process and itself is oxidized during reaction. Let us take the examples to clarify the concept. First example. Hydrogen reacts with copper oxide to produce copper plus water. First we will identify which is oxidation process and which is reduction process. We have already learned the criteria of oxidation and reduction, so let us find out. First two partial reactions we will find out. One is hydrogen is converted to water, that is one partial reaction. Another one is copper oxide is converted to copper. When hydrogen is converted to water or steam, what is the change we can observe? There is addition of oxygen atom. That means addition of oxygen takes place in this particular process. Addition of oxygen. So this particular partial reaction is an example of oxidation. When copper oxide is converted to copper, the oxygen atom is removed during the process. So this is an example of reduction. Why it is reduction? Because there is removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen. So if this is oxidation, that means hydrogen is converted to water. This particular process is initiated by another reactant, that is copper oxide. It is initiated in presence of copper oxide. So copper oxide is an example of oxidizing agent. Similarly, the other process, copper oxide is converted to copper. This is reduction. We have already identified it as reduction. So this process is facilitated in presence of hydrogen. So hydrogen acts as a reducing agent. One more point is there, oxidizing agent itself is reduced. So if copper oxide is oxidizing agent, it is reduced during the reaction. Reducing agent means itself is oxidized. If hydrogen is reducing agent, let's say in the reaction hydrogen is oxidized to water. That means these two criterion are also proved. That is hydrogen converted to water, that is oxidation process. This process is initiated by copper oxide, so it is an oxidizing agent. Copper oxide is converted to copper, that is an example of reduction. This process is facilitated by the reactant hydrogen, so hydrogen acts as reducing agent.